Tonight, severe storms marching through the mid-Atlantic. Heavy rain flooding streets in Norfolk, Virginia.
Oh my God!
This after damaging winds struck much of the East Coast Monday. Outside Washington, D.C., in Fairfax County, Virginia, straight-line winds sending trees onto cars and into homes.
We've lived here over 20 years, and I've never seen anything like this.
In Philadelphia, this tree crashing into 2 houses, displacing 10 people. In the plains, millions on alert for a new round of dangerous storms. This tornado rotating east of Pueblo, Colorado, Monday evening. The threat extending across the plains. Our Oklahoma City affiliate, KOCO, with the warning.
The wind damage potential really starting to crank up here early in the afternoon.
Storms unleashing torrential downpours, sparking flash floods. More than a half-foot of rain has fallen in some parts of Oklahoma, with more heavy rain on the way. Tulsa firefighters helping stranded drivers, pushing this vehicle to dry land.